Flood advisory in effect until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? Portions of north central and northeast Ohio, including the following counties: in north central Ohio, Erie and Huron; in northwest Ohio, Sandusky and Seneca. When? Until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Additional details. At 4:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Tiffin, Norwalk, Fremont, Fostoria, Bellevue, Clyde, Gibsonburg, Green Springs, Ballville, Monroeville, Bettsville, Republic, Lindsay, Helena, Burgoon, Stony Prairie, Vickery, Flat Rock, Kansas, and Bascom. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.